Welcome to our channel. If you want to download Calm Meditations for offline listening so you can meditate anywhere without using data, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Calm app on your mobile device and sign in to your account. Make sure you have an active Calm subscription, as offline downloads are a premium feature. Step 2. Browse through the Calm library and find the meditation, sleep story, or music track you want to download. You can search by category or use the search function. Step 3. Tap on the meditation or content you want to save. This will open the detail page showing the title, duration, and narrator information. Step 4. Look for the download icon, which usually appears as a downward arrow or cloud with an arrow. Tap this icon to start downloading the content to your device. Step 5. Wait for the download to complete. You'll see a progress indicator, and once finished, the download icon will change to show the content is saved locally. Step 6. Repeat this process for any other meditations, sleep stories, or music tracks you want to download. You can download multiple items to build your offline library. Step 7. To access your downloaded content, look for a download section in the Calm app menu. All your saved meditations will be stored here and can be played anytime without an internet connection, perfect for traveling or areas with poor connectivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.